Other new arrival, the 1965 Chevrolet Corvette coupe. Numbers matching 327 cubic inch L79 V8 with the Muncie M20 manual.
Beauty.
Miles deep paint. We can't get away from that, can we?
Sometimes it's true.
It's like runs and drives great. Sometimes it's just all you can say. This thing is expertly restored and a very wonderful driving example. And sometimes these ones that are done to this level aren't as good a drivers as a driver quality one.
Right.
And what I mean by that is that some of these are just not built to drive. They're built to show. Beautiful car. Get a chance to check it out.
And by the way, I don't use miles deep unless it's warranted.
Really mild.
Really miles
Looks
deep.
like you could dive in.
Really thick paint.